guys, Key Haywood here with another update on the HH&J Railroad. Lower level staging yard is complete. Started work on the helix. I think I have maybe 2.5 more turns to go before that's completed. So right now I'm going to give you guys an overall tour of the layout of my progress thus far, so stay tuned. Here's the helix. Like I said, I have maybe 2.5 more turns to go to this completed. I'm going to end up dropping more feeder wires. Better safe than sorry. Right now train's going up with no problems, no slippage, no derailments, anything like that. I just want to drop more feeder wires just to make sure that the current is steady going all the way up the turn. Here's the passing sidings. On this one I used OSB. This is just experimenting just to see how it would turn out, and as far as the lower level staging yard I like it. It worked out pretty good, but for the upper level I'll definitely use plywood. Engines running. This Norfolk Southern here, GP40X, I have a Wild Sound decoder installed in it. Sounds pretty good. Can't complain. TCS, great product. A great product, should I say. I've been just running trains back and forth, mainly after getting all the track laid and whatnot. I spent most of the time cleaning because I used track from my previous layout for the lower level, so I wanted to make sure that I had the track nice and clean. This outermost track will hold up to 30 cars. The second one here, 27, third 23, and the last two 18. So as of right now, I'm definitely gonna need more cars. There's no doubt about that. But overall, I'm pretty pleased with the results. And like I said, Builder Track Planner does great work. Easy to follow blueprints using the scale stick, and everything came out just as he designed. And here's a up close view of the lower level staging yard according to the blueprint, and here it is. Well, that's all for now. To Key Haywood signing off. Hope you guys enjoyed. Please leave a comment, like, and subscribe. Thank you.